Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to this video. On this occasion, I will explain the English teaching module prepared by Siska Indriani, a humanities graduate. English teaching module, short functional text online review. A. General information. School identity. The function of school identity is this English teaching module is to show information about the school that carries out learning activities. 2. Initial competency prerequisite. Point 1. Students have initial knowledge about short text types and are able to read information in English well and correctly. Point 2. Participants have sufficient understanding about constructing sentence in present tense and past tense properly and correctly. Okay, next is Pancasila Student Profile or P3. The Pancasila Student Profile in the English teaching module helps students develop critical thinking skills, communicate effectively, and use technology to increase engagement in learning. Okay, and next are facilities and infrastructure. The facilities and infrastructure in English teaching module function still to increase engagement, ability, and quality of learning. Target students. Students with English language skills at level A2 to B1. Next, learning models or methods. The learning models or methods are project-based learning or PJBL by optimizing TPACK. Next, contents of the module. The function of the module content in this English teaching module is to provide information and teaching materials that are relevant for learning activities, as well as to develop the students' abilities to think critically, communicate effectively, and use technology to increase engagement in learning. Next, learning activities. Learning activities are introduction. On introduction orientation, the teacher greets students, invites students to pray, and checks student attendance. Core, the teacher gives trigger questions related to online review, plays audio about someone's experience in a restaurant, and students respond to questions from the teacher based on the audio. Next is on car phase 1, determine basic question. The teacher divides students into group of 3 to 4 people and provides a link to the LKPD in Canva, which must be done in groups. Phase 2, designing product planning and preparing manufacturing schedules. The teacher asks each group to work on activities on the Canva LKPD and provides directions for working on LKPD 4 and 5. Page 3. Monitoring liveliness and development project. The teacher guides students in completing assignments and provide attitude assessments, which include activeness, cooperation, and creativity. Next are Page 4, testing results. Students complete assignments to create an online review and present the results of their work. Page 5, evaluation learning experience. Analyzing and evaluating process and results, the teacher encourages students to provide feedback and evaluate all learning activities. Next is assessment. Attitude assessment. Attitude assessment are obtained from observation during learning activities. Attitude assessment in the form of activeness, cooperation, and creativity. Teachers carry out attitude assessment by observing student behaviors during learning activities such as activeness. Student actively participate in discussion and group activities. Collaboration. Students work together with group members to create creative solutions or products. Creativity. Students can create ideas, work, and flexibility of thinking in making an online review. Next, evaluation of work results and presentation. Assessment of work results and presentation is carried out using an assessment rubric which includes creativity, unique and original 5 points, fairly creativity 4 points, limited in creativity 3 points, less creative 2 points, very uncreative 1 point. Etc. Enrichment and remedial. Enrichment. Students with grades or performance above the class average will receive enrichment activities in the form of individual assignments. Remedial. Students with grades or performance below the class average will make improvements and report assignments. Students will carry out guided learning, namely by asking for help from students with grades above the class average. Next, teacher reflection. Have the learning objectives been achieved? Do students collaborate well in discussion activities? Are there changes in students' attitudes and skills during the learning activity process? Next, student reflection. What material is difficult to understand? What activities are difficult to complete? Appendix. The attachments in English teaching module function as additional information that is relevant for learning activities. Following are some the attachment functions. Reading materials, glossary, bibliography, learning research, scientific articles, confounding, wordful, and sentences. Assessment. 1 is attitude, and then attitude journal, and student worksheet or LKPD 1. And then student worksheet LKPD 2, LKPD 3 to 4, and then work assessment rubric. Assessment criteria creativity, unique and original, quiet, creative, limited in creativity, less creative, very uncreative, and senses. And finally, presentation assessment rubric. Student's name, presentation title, grading criteria content, grading criteria presentation, and next level of active participation of students in learning. Date and time, topic, time, Phase 1 learner orientation to the problem, Phase 2 organizing student breastfeeding, Phase 3 guiding the investigation, Phase 4 develop and present, Phase 5 analyze and evaluate the process and result solution to problem. Next, instrument of assessing student activity and providing feedback. Every student who provides constructive feedback on the results of the presentation, other students will be given green cards. Teacher reflection journal. 1. Can the learning activities that I have carried out increase student involvement in learning? Are the learning steps I take in accordance with the learning syntax that I have complied in the teaching module? 3. How do students respond to the learning strategies that I apply? 4. What about media and the application of technology in learning? Student reflection journal. At the end of the lesson, students are asked to reflect on the learning that has been carried out by answering the following guiding questions. 1. What did you master most during your studies? 2. What things have you not mastered in this lesson? 3. Which activity do you think is the most memorable or most liked during the learning process? 4. What is your next target after this? Action, implementation, observation sheet. Okay, that's our the end. Thank you everyone for watching. I'm sorry for any mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.